Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially in this case, just helps make mapping out a logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, yeah, today was a good solid bounce. I don't think anybody's going to argue against that, but that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction dead cat bounce? And I talked about this level in yesterday's video down here at $2.30, but it's a very revealing level. What do I mean by revealing? Well, I'm assuming we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So keep that in mind with $2.30. Any sort of closes below it, or worse if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting it right back to this area of the chart where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game, right? You want to see progress. And in this case, I'm just quantifying and defining quote-unquote progress as $2.30. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see that's essentially right where the price stopped going up every time it got near it. It just kind of, tapped the brakes. Not saying it can't be broken or anything like that, but as far as, key hurdles to break, if this upwards bounce is going to continue, definitely that 50-period simple moving average is going to be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. No doubt about it, though. Very nice bounce today. Now things just transition into the question, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.